English dialogue in a taxi.
Alice prepared early in the morning to go to the airport. Alice prepared early in the morning to go to the airport. Prepared early in the morning. Go to the airport. Alice gets in a taxi to go to the airport. Alice gets in a taxi to go to the airport. Gets in a taxi.
Hi, could you take me to the airport, please?
1. Could you take me?
A simplified version. Can you take me?
Meaning, asking for a ride somewhere.
Explanation. We use this to ask for a ride. Can you take me to the airport? Means, drive me to the airport, please.
Hi, could you take me to the airport, please?
Sure thing. Which airport are you heading to? 2. Are you heading to?
A simplified version. Are you going to?
Meaning, asking where someone is going.
Explanation. We use this to ask where someone goes. Are you going to school? Means, is your destination school?
Sure thing. Which airport are you heading to?
The main international airport, please. The main international airport, please.
Alright, got it. Alright, got it. Do you have a flight to catch? 3. Do you have a flight to catch?
A simplified version. Do you need to catch a plane?
Meaning, asking if they need to take a plane.
Explanation. We use this to ask if someone has a plane trip. Do you need to catch a plane? Means, do you have a flight soon?
Do you have a flight to catch?
Yes, I do. My flight is in about 2 hours.
4. It's about 2 hours.
A simplified version. Around 2 hours.
Meaning, saying how long something takes.
Explanation. We use this to say time duration. It takes about 2 hours. Means, it will take close to 2 hours.
Yes, I do. My flight is in about 2 hours.
No worries, we should have plenty of time to get there. 5. No worries.
A simplified version. Don't worry.
Meaning, telling someone not to be worried.
Explanation. We use this to comfort someone. No worries means, it's okay, don't be concerned.
6. We should have.
A simplified version. We probably have.
Meaning, making a guess about something.
Explanation. We use this to guess. We should have enough time means, I think we have enough time.
7. Plenty of time.
A simplified version. Lots of time.
Meaning, saying there is enough time.
Explanation. We use this to say we have lots of time. We have plenty of time means we have a lot of time.
8. To get there.
A simplified version. To go there.
Meaning, talking about reaching a place.
Explanation. We use this to say going to a place. We need to get there by 9 a.m. means we should arrive by 9 a.m.
No worries, we should have plenty of time to get there. Here we are at the airport. 9. Here we are.
A simplified version. We are here.
Meaning, saying you have arrived.
Explanation. We use this to say we have arrived. Here we are at the park means we have arrived at the park.
Here we are at the airport.
Thank you so much. How much do I owe you?
10. How much do I owe you?
A simplified version. How much do I need to pay?
Meaning, asking for the amount to pay.
Explanation. We use this to ask the price. How much do I owe you? Means, what is the cost?
Thank you so much. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $30, please. That'll be $30, please.
All right, here you go.
11. Here you go.
A simplified version. Here it is.
Meaning, giving something to someone.
Explanation. We use this when giving something. Here you go means, here it is for you.
All right, here you go.
Thank you. Do you need help with your bags? 12. Do you need help?
A simplified version. Do you want help?
Meaning, offering assistance.
Explanation. We use this to offer help. Do you need help with your bags? Means, do you want help with your luggage?
Thank you. Do you need help with your bags?
No, I think we can manage.
13. I can manage.
A simplified version. I can do it.
Meaning, saying you can handle it yourself.
Explanation. We use this to say we don't need help. I can manage means, I can do this alone.
No, I think we can manage. Thanks for the ride. Thanks for the ride. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a safe flight. 14. Have a safe flight.
A simplified version. Have a good flight.
Meaning, wishing someone a good journey.
Explanation. We use this to give good wishes. Have a safe flight. Means have a nice and safe trip.
Have a safe flight.